Hey guys, good morning. So I would like to start today by showing you some examples of applications, motions and forces with real IB equations. So let's take a look at this first one. Remember that you can always pause the video, and I would actually highly suggest that you pause, try the question yourself before moving forward, and then you can go forward and check your answers. Alright, so number one, the variation with time t of the acceleration a of an object is shown. So we have a graph here. You should remember that we can get a lot of precious information from this kind of graph. So let's take a look at what's asked. So what is the change in velocity of the object from time equals 0 all the way to time equals 6 seconds? So we're looking for change in velocity. This is an acceleration time graph. So what we can do here, we can get the areas, and then we'll get we basically go back. When we get the area from the acceleration time graph, we're gonna get our velocity. If we had a velocity time graph, right, if we got the area, we would have our displacement. Anyway, so what is the change in velocity? So all we have to do is calculate each of those areas. So what usually we do, what's easiest, is just to split this into smaller known areas, and which are easy to calculate. So what I would do, I would split this into those two shapes, and I would calculate the area of each one of them. So let's hold this A1 and A2. So what's area A1? So this triangle has base 4 and height 2. So the first area, base 4, height 2, and since it's a triangle, divided by 2. So this is 4. Since this is seconds, meters per second square, this is meters per second. Second area, which is this rectangle down here, our base is 6 and our height is 1. Since it's a rectangle, we don't do anything besides multiplying those two. If we add those to our area, would add up to be 10.